The court is in session in 5 cases. First case is cause number 332-518. Second case is cause number 332-520. Third case is cause number 332-522. And the fourth case is the cause number 332-616. And the fifth case is cause number 332-620. Now, the last 4 cases are styled the state of Texas versus Alan Jamal Richardson.
Yes, Jamal, sir.
Alan Jamal Richardson.
Yes, sir.
And
I don't know who Jamal is. That's a ghost case, dude. I don't know who might get expunged. I don't know. I don't know.
Mr. Richardson, cause number 332-520 is styled the state of Texas versus Alan J. Nicholson is also, hold on a minute.
Hey, man, look, I'm gonna be real with you. I already played no contest. I'm at your mercy right now, sir. I got a lot going on, man. I'm just trying to get my freedom today.
Okay, Mr. Richardson, we have a lot of cases to go through, so just be a little patient with us. And
yes, sir.
And just be a little patient with us. Now, okay, the information is Alan J. Richardson.
That's me.
Okay. Now, Mr. Richardson, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Richardson, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Richardson, you may put your hand down. Mr. Richardson, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Giles Cole. And Mr. Richardson, Mr. Cole, do you waive a record in, your mic is on mute. Do you waive a record in Mr. Richardson cases?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Richardson, in cause number 332-520, I have before me an information. This information alleges that on or about March 26th of 2022, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed to class A misdemeanor offense of evading arrest detention. Mr. Richardson, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, how did you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No content.
Now, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Richardson, on page, I have a document here that's titled the misdemeanor plea admonishment, is also labeled as State's Exhibit number 1. On page 2 of this document, there's a set of initials, AR, that is on a line next to a box that's checked no contingent, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir, I did.
On page 3 of this document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Did you also sign this document?
Yes, sir, I did.
And Mr. Richardson, I have another document before me. This document is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. At the bottom of this document, there's a signature also above this line that is titled Defendant. Did you also sign this document?
Yes, sir, I did. I might have put it under duress. I don't know, but I did sign it, sir.
Mr. Richardson, let me ask you that question again. There's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Did you also sign this document?
I signed everything I was supposed to sign, sir. If it's my signature on it, I signed it, sir.
Okay, good. Now, Mr. Richardson, at the top of this same document, there are 2 boxes that are checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, I do.
The second box that's checked states that you waive your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, I do.
And Mr. Richardson, did you sign a document out there on paper that is titled Discovery Certification?
Yes, sir, I did.
Now, Mr. Richardson, before you sign all of these documents that before you signed and initialed all of these documents that I've just mentioned to you, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir, he did.
And did you read and understand everything that he went over?
Yes, sir, I did.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir, they are.
State, I have before me State's Exhibit number 1, the misdemeanor plea admonishment. State, I also have State's Exhibit 2, the probable cause affidavit. State, you like to offer States 1 and 2?
Yes, Your Honor, State would.
No objections.
No objection. State's Exhibits 1 and 2 are admitted. Mr. Cole, you've advised and counseled Mr. Richardson. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Richardson, your attorney, Mr. Cole, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir, I am.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir, he has.
And Mr. Richardson, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir, I am.
Mr. Richardson, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You have that. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, we do. The agreement is that in cause number 332518, he would receive 100.
I was doing.
I'm sorry.
Number 332520.
Okay, in 332520, he'll receive 120 days in jail. It will run concurrent with 332518 and 332522. And in addition to that, we will be dismissing 332616 and 332620.
Okay. Mr. Richardson.
Yes, sir.
Wait, judgment. Mr. Richardson, the state is offering that you serve 120 days in the Jefferson County Jail. You will be given credit for any time that you are entitled to get. This is 18. I'm looking for 20.
Sure.
You will be entitled to get any time that you will be entitled to get any time that you are entitled to get by law. The court cost in this case, Mr. Richardson, is $327. Mr. Richardson, would you be able to pay the $327?
No, sir, I won't be able to pay it, sir.
Okay, Mr. Richardson, I have before me a document that is titled Affidavit of Indigence. It has your name on it. And a judge, a magistrate who magistrated this case stated that you met the eligibility requirements for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney. And I'm looking at the information that's in this document that was signed on June 22nd of 2022. Now, Mr. Richardson, is this information still correct that you do not have any monthly income or assets?
Yes, sir, it's correct.
And you have no monthly expenses, is that correct?
That's correct, sir.
Okay, so Mr. Richardson, the court is going to find that you are indigent. And based on that finding of indigency, the court cost of $327 will be waived. That means that you will not have to pay it because the court is finding that you are indigent and that's pursuant to Article 42.15 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. Now, Mr. Richardson, the state will also, this case will also be running concurrent with cause number 332518 and cause number 332522, and the state will be dismissing cause numbers 332616 and cause number 332620.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Now, Mr. Richardson, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir, I do, but I want to request, man, could you shave off the 120 and can I get 90 days? I got a lot going on, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. Richardson, if you can talk to the attorney about that, whether y'all have an agreement or not. What the court is going to do, the court is going to go into recess to give you